Okay, we're in the aircraft. Gonna adjust the seat here a little bit, move that up a little. Get my, turn my batteries on. Pull out my checklist. The pre-flight inspection, emergency equipment, passengers are briefed. It's only me, so it's not anyone else to brief but myself. And I'll put my seatbelt on in a second. And then we'll start the pre-flight check. And we got this baby running. I'd like to turn on the avionics though, so I can listen to the radio. Put that back to 1200. It's in self-test mode right now. And I'm going to get the ATIS, which is 11985. Put that on radio number 2.
Notice airmen, bird advisories are in effect.
And turn that volume down just a bit.
All aircraft advisory back hold for instructions and runway assignment. Taxiway Alpha close between runway 13.
Fuel's full.
Taxiway Alpha close between Golf and Delta.
And this is the pages where I'll have to review before I go ahead and do that. So I'll turn off the camera and we'll get started.